yesterday I received a very cute puzzle. It's from Monet Beauty. You see, it's so cute and lovely. Okay, what is this? This one is Ellie in the BeautyLand, which is collaboration between the Ellie and Monet Beauty. It's so nice, and inside this got 8 lip creams. So one is young collection and one is nude collection. You guys already excited, right? Now I want to try out this 8 lip cream. Let us try it out. Suitable for white or yellow skin like me. So now I want to talk about this lip cream. This lip cream is very comfortable on our skin. It's moisture, watery, it's very mild, and you will never feel your lips is cracking. Other than that, it is made by organic chia seed oil. This oil is very useful for our skin, you know, because this oil it's more on smoothen our lip and keep it moisture. After that, I think you also want to get one box of this.